Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between the brand new OPPO Reno16 and Nothing Phone 3a. The OPPO Reno16 packs a sharp 1.5K OLED display, a versatile triple 50-megapixel camera setup, and a huge battery with 80-watt charging, which means you get crisp visuals, flexible photography, and less time waiting by a charger. On the other hand, the Nothing Phone 3a offers its eye-catching glyph design, a dedicated telephoto camera, and a clean Nothing OS experience at a much lower price. Both phones promise premium features without flagship pricing, but they take very different approaches. So the big question is, do you want the more complete all-round experience or the better overall value? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two smartphones and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's kick things off with the design because this is where these two phones make completely different first impressions. The OPPO Reno16 uses a compact body that is easier to hold with one hand, an aluminum frame for a sturdier feel, and a lighter weight that makes long periods of use more comfortable. It also carries IP66, IP68, IP69, and IP69K ratings, meaning it can resist dust, water immersion, and even high-pressure water jets, making it far more durable for everyday accidents. On the other hand, the Nothing Phone 3a immediately stands out with its transparent-inspired rear panel and signature glyph lighting, giving it a futuristic look, unlike almost any other smartphone. Both phones include programmable shortcut buttons, although they can occasionally be pressed by mistake. So, if you value durability, comfort, and long-term practicality over a more eye-catching appearance, the OPPO Reno16 is the stronger choice. Moving on to the display and software experience, both phones offer smooth 120Hz panels, which means scrolling, animations, and gaming feel much more fluid than a traditional 60Hz display. The Nothing Phone 3a features a larger 6.77-inch AMOLED screen that provides more space for movies, games, reading, and multitasking. On the other hand, the OPPO Reno16 uses a smaller 6.32-inch OLED panel with a sharper 2640 by 1216 resolution, so text, photos, and videos appear noticeably crisper. It also delivers excellent color accuracy and impressive brightness for outdoor viewing. Software tells a different story, with ColorOS 16 offering more Android upgrades and flexible shortcut features, while Nothing OS delivers a cleaner and more unique visual style with its minimalist interface. That means if you prioritize a sharper display and longer software support, the OPPO Reno16 gives you the more polished experience. When it comes to performance, neither phone is designed to compete with dedicated gaming devices, but both deliver reliable everyday speed. The OPPO Reno16 runs on the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 processor with LPDDR5X memory and up to 512 GB of storage, allowing apps to launch quickly and giving you plenty of room for photos, videos, and games. On the other hand, the Nothing Phone 3a uses the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 with up to 12 GB of memory and 256 GB of storage. It handles daily tasks and popular games comfortably, although demanding three-dimensional games may require lower graphics settings for smoother performance. Neither phone is a gaming powerhouse, but the Reno16 benefits from newer hardware and a larger storage option, making it better prepared for long-term use. So, if you value stronger overall hardware and extra storage capacity, the OPPO Reno16 comes out ahead. When it comes to cameras and battery life, the OPPO Reno16 clearly aims to deliver a more complete flagship-like experience. It combines three 50-megapixel rear cameras with optical image stabilization, including a 3.5 times optical telephoto lens that lets you zoom without losing as much detail, plus a higher-resolution 50-megapixel selfie camera and support for 4K recording at 60 frames per second from both the front and rear cameras. On the other hand, the Nothing Phone 3a offers a capable 50-megapixel main camera, a useful 2x telephoto lens, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera that is less consistent in image quality. Battery life also favors the Reno16 thanks to its larger battery and faster 80-watt charging, reducing the time spent plugged into a charger. So if you value photography, longer battery life, and faster charging, the OPPO Reno16 is the more capable smartphone. As for my final verdict, the OPPO Reno16 is the better choice for photographers, frequent travelers, and users who want stronger cameras, better durability, faster charging, and longer software support. On the other hand, the Nothing Phone 3A is perfect for buyers who want outstanding value, a unique design, and dependable everyday performance without spending as much. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions.